goal of the workshop is to introduce social network analysis as a method to understand the linkages between the relevant stakeholders in nature conservation. We also plan to understand what is the current mechanism or approaches of the linkages between science and science researchers group and the decision-making, policy-making bodies. We also plan to identify some of the opportunities and challenges we face in the science policy interface or what we also call as evidence-based decision-making for nature conservation here in the country. After discussing with our partners and our participants here in the workshop, we would also like to identify some of the way forwards to strengthen the science policy interface and how can we further improve evidence-based decision-making for nature conservation here in the country.
One of the goals of the Blue-Green Biodiversity Research Initiative was to foster science and policy exchange around biodiversity and conservation. What we're doing here in this workshop is to take a network perspective on science policy interactions. A network perspective on science policy interactions is crucial. Science is not just one actor, but a composition of many different actors, organizations, institutions, and individuals. And the same is true for the policy world.
Very interested when I found out that this workshop also aims to sort of equip us with the techniques to improve the science policy interface. I really hope that I'll be able to learn a little more about the science policy interface and also contribute in improving the science policy interface in Bhutan.
Science and research are very crucial for decision making, especially for the parliamentarians and local leaders. It is important because science and research provide database information, facts and figures that is important to solve complex problems.
Researchers, professors, or the scientists cannot always work isolated and bit and pieces. They should come together to work together, and they should organize the idea as a common plan so that they can easily translate their finding into policy or any regulations.
That how I can apply in my day-to-day career could be like we have a lot of research surveys in my division. So the finding mostly that almost 50% may not like translate into the policy. So through the networking skill as well as the social networking skills that we had discussed in this workshop, so we can add more network, and then the research finding from our division can be transformed into a larger policy integration.